Have you ever found yourself hesitating to wear those fabulous high heels for an extended period? Maybe you've had an event or a night out planned, but the thought of enduring the discomfort of high heels made you think twice. Well, fear not, because today I will give you 3 tips that will help you wear those fabulous high heels for an extended period of time. So we'll be looking at 1, arch support, 2, choosing the right heel height, and finally taking a break and stretching out your feet. But before we start, I'm Christy. For those that visiting my channel for the first time and for my returning viewers, thank you for your love and support. Please subscribe to my channel so that I will be encouraged to keep on making videos like this one. Now let's talk about the first tip that will transform your high heel experience and have you walking tall and pain-free all day long. Tip 1. Arch support is your best friend. One of the secrets to wearing high heels for an extended period lies in proper arch support. Imagine your feet as a work of art, and arch support as the elegant frame that enhances its beauty. When you slip into those high heels, it's not just about looking amazing, it's about feeling incredible too. That's where top-notch insoles designed specifically for high heels come into play. These aren't just ordinary insoles, they're your personal support system, your best friend in the world of fashion. Say goodbye to the days of wincing in pain after a few minutes of wearing your favorite heels. With the power of quality arch support, you're making a statement, one that says you value comfort just as much as style. These insoles are like little superheroes, working behind the scenes to distribute your weight evenly across your feet. No more putting all the pressure on your arches and feeling that dreaded ache creeping in. It's like walking on clouds. But wait, there's more. Arch support isn't just about sparing you from foot agony, it's about giving you an extra dose of allure. As those insoles work their magic, your posture naturally elevates. Your back becomes straighter, your shoulders more relaxed, and your stride radiates confidence. It's as if you've unlocked a secret code to stand taller. So investing in high-quality insoles isn't just a smart choice, it's a game changer. It's an investment in yourself, in your style journey, and in your comfort. So next time you slip into those high heels, remember that your secret weapon lies beneath, those arch-supporting wonders that have your back, or rather your feet. Now that I've got your arches covered, let's move on to our second tip that's going to make you wear those high heel shoes all day. Tip 2. Choose the right heel height and style. The most comfortable heel height will vary from person to person and will depend on the shape of your foot, the type of shoe, and how experienced you are with wearing heels. The average heel height is around 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters. This falls into the mid-height range, which usually measures in at 2, 3 inches or 5, 7.5 centimeters. This is the most classic heel height, and mid-height heels should be comfortable enough to wear all day. With that said, the best heel height for you might be lower or higher than the average. Low heels are typically 1, 2 inches or 2, 5 cm. In low heels, the heel is short enough that the balls of your feet shouldn't be left aching, even if you're on your feet all day. High heels are generally 3, 4 inches or 7, 5-10 cm. These are typically reserved for dressy occasions like parties or evenings out, as they can be a little more difficult to walk in. Any higher than this, and the shoe is likely to have a platform at the front to make it slightly easier to walk in. If you're new to wearing heels, it's a good idea to start with a lower heel and work your way up to a high heel once you've had some practice. You'll only know what the best heel height for you is once you've tried a few pairs and worked out which ones you find the most comfortable. It's important to take care of your feet, so try to give them a rest by alternating between heels and flats. Please like this video if you are gaining value from it. Now let us look at the last tip, which is tip 3. Take breaks and stretch it out. Even though you're looking fabulous in those heels, remember that a little break never hurts anyone. Schedule short breaks to give your feet a rest. Moreover, take advantage of those breaks to do some simple stretches that target your feet, calves, and ankles. These stretches will keep your blood flowing and prevent your muscles from tensing up, allowing you to keep going comfortably. So now that you have my 3 tips, I encourage you to put these strategies into action. Grab your favorite pair of high heels, follow these tips, and share your experience in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to comfortable and confident high heel wearing. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.